Hi, I'm Damit Vasanta, a junior research analyst from LOLC Securities.
Hi, and I'm Dinusha Gomez. I'm from the sales desk at LOLC Securities.
So we are here to give you a brief summary about as to what happened during last week. So the BOSP continued its low volume journey to start the week. However, the continuous accumulation of the premier conglomerate John Keel's Holdings came to a peak as it recorded the highest turnover contribution to the market on Friday. The total turnover itself posted the second highest turnover of rupees 15 billion in country stock market history on Friday. Activity started to peak during midweek with the participation of institutional investors. 46 crossings were recorded during the week, pertaining to counters such as John Hughes Holdings, NDB Aviva Insurance, Commercial Bank, Ascot Holdings, PC Pharma, and Orient Garments. Sector-wise, diversified sector contributed mostly to the market turnover due to heavy trading witnessed in John Hughes Holdings. Although markets still seeking for a proper direction, we believe the MPI gain as a glimpse of hope to a gradual recovery in the long run. However, we hope investors will take wise investment decisions in these consolidation times.
As you mentioned, the headline of the week was the deals that took place in John Keel's Holdings. The EPF sold 71 million shares, which amounts to a 6.4% stake of John Keel's, to the Malaysian sovereign wealth fund called Khazanah Nasional Berhad. The crossings were recorded at 194 rupees per share. Also, CDIC, that is Capital Development and Investment Company, informed that they had purchased 1.5 million shares of Aviva NDB Insurance PLC from National Development Bank. And NDB basically owns 99.6% of CDIC. The deals took place as a part of their restructuring of investments within the NDB group. Also, Renuka City Hotels had been given approval to construct an extension to the existing building. The new buildings will consist of 18 guest rooms, a swimming pool and a gym, staff facilities, and ground floor car park. The estimated cost of the extension is 218 million rupees.
Yeah. Looking at the macroeconomic picture, in monetary policy review for the March, central bank's projection indicated that Sri Lanka's GDP is likely to record a growth of 7.2% in 2012 from the earlier projection of 8%. Sri Lanka's rupee hit a new historic low of rupees 125 per US dollar during the week. Sri Lanka's tourist arrivals increased 27% to reach 83,549 in February 2012 from a year earlier, and visitors during the first 2 months were up by 21% to reach 169,423, the state tourist promotions office said. South Asia, the largest generating market, showed an increase of 14.1%, with Indian arrivals up by 12.6% to reach 11,342 and Maldives up by 15.4% to 2,675.
And moving on to global markets, a group of financial market players will determine that holders of $3.2 billion of Greek debt default swaps will receive around $2.5 billion in compensation for Greece debt restructuring. And in Asia, average property prices in 70 Chinese cities covered in the government survey fell in February for the 5th consecutive month as sluggish sales continue to compel developers to cut prices. And in Europe again, the European Union said it was banning any kind of financial transactions with blacklisted Iranian financial firms, but US policymakers made it clear that they would keep up the pressure for wider action.
That's the summary for the week. Thank you very much.